Hey guys!
Hello!
Welcome back to Life Above the Clouds. My name is Lauren Gaw and I have my friend Kay back here with me.
Hello!
You might remember her from our pumpkin dinner roll video.
Yeah.
Yes. And today I'm really excited because we're gonna make Cannabis Salve. So we have 1 cup of cannabis coconut oil and we have 1 cup of cocoa butter. You could also use shea butter if you wanted to.
Mango butter.
Or mango butter. And here Kay has shaved off of this block of beeswax. We have 1 cup of beeswax. And we're gonna use 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. And we have, these were my 3 essential oils. But then Kay brought this entire box of essential oils.
It's a partial collection.
Why do you have so many?
Sometimes I like the room to smell good.
I have a double boiler set up here. It's just a saucepan with about 1 inch of water and it's simmering, and then I have a glass bowl placed on top, and we're gonna melt all of our ingredients together. How easy is that? Why don't you go ahead and pour in that beeswax?
Sure. I love it.
And then we're adding our cocoa butter. And then our cannabis coconut oil. I've already melted it because it's easier to measure out when it's melted. And yes, our 2 tablespoons of jojoba. And I just have a silicone spatula that I am going to use to mix this all together while it melts. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So when we're done with this, you can make it into a lotion bar by putting it in like a cupcake liner. I've also saved this little lotion container that you can put it.
Jar.
Yeah, you could put it in a little jar, or I actually even saved a chapstick container that you could pour it in the chapstick and let it cool, and you could wear this also as chapstick. So I also brought measuring cup with a spout so we can use it to pour into my chapstick containers. You can also buy these at a craft store. You could also clean out an old deodorant container and use that.
Oh yeah.
You can pour it into the container and let it harden. We're almost completely melted, so I'm just going to twist it all the way back down, and then you can just pour it in there to fill it up. Isn't that just the coolest thing that you've ever heard of?
I mean, one of the coolest thing.
And I've set up all of our little containers. We have 2 chapstick containers that I saved from chapstick, and we have some heart shapes, don't mind the heart shapes, silicone molds. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to grip the chapstick and then pour. Are you ready? I'm so nervous.
You got this.
I just like knock it over. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Oh, look at that. Now just leave, don't touch it.
So don't touch it, we have to let all these things harden. But
now I'm scared though.
You can do it, you can do it.
Move over.
Okay. Give you space.
Give me space. Give me space. I'm gonna be the one who spills it.
It wasn't that bad. I just rested it on the, yeah!
Woo! Why is that nerve-wracking? Oh my god, that's so nerve-wracking.
Beautiful!
Why is this? I was like having anxiety.
I know, it's really, because it's such a small little container.
It's really nice.
So if I had joint pain, maybe all my joint pain would be gone, but I don't have any joint pain.
This feels super nice.
I know. Oh, it's like so moisturizing and nice. It smells like chocolate, which is bad because it's gonna make me want to crave chocolate.
I'm gonna put some spearmint in this one.
This was such a quick and easy video.
You just let it cool at room temperature.
Just let it cool out. You know? Yeah, just chill.
Wow.
Quick and easy. You saw how fast and easy this was to make our own Cannabis Salve at home. If you wanted to use regular coconut oil instead of cannabis coconut oil, you could just use these as regular lotion bars. We also have chapsticks, so we can use it as chapstick. And it's great for if you have joint pain or if you have a bad knee, it'll really soothe and ease your pains. But thank you guys for tuning in to our quick little tutorial on how to make your own Cannabis Salve. Thank you, my friend Kay, for coming to
we knocked heads.
for coming to join me, and thanks again. I'll see you guys next week.
It's good hanging with you guys. See ya.
Bye.